So like after you finish your animation, you're going to select all layers using this, and you're just gonna put them into one group. And you're gonna make the group's pivot point at like the bottom of the character. You're going to use the effect like squeeze or something, and it like just like kind of squeezes your little dude.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah. Apples and possums, apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah. Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
Though we are still going to keep stacking random effects onto it. We're gonna move and transform. We're gonna go to this thingy. We're gonna click this so that the width and height are different. And then you're going to just add like a bit of squash and stretch.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah. Apples and possums, I wanna play.
I sometimes use squeeze, but it doesn't really work with some animations.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
Sometimes your like squash and stretch might be a little bit like overshadowing, so you might want to decrease it a little bit.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
For the main animation. And for the background, you're just gonna grab a square. You're going to make it the size of like the entire thing. And you're just gonna grab this little bar thing and you're just gonna move it underneath. I generally like to go to color and fill and then a gradient. I'm just gonna choose like, I don't know, red and pink. And you're just gonna bring that all the way to the end. And I'm personally going to use the effect, let's see, stripes. You can make them black, white, whatever color you want. You're just gonna put one keyframe on the end, you know the drill. And you're just gonna have your background just move a little bit.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
No matter what kind of high-end device you have, it's going to lag.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
Well, I think we almost have a finished animation here. So what we need at the beginning.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
So you're just gonna pause it at the perfectly correct moment. And you're going to put like a square or something in front of everything. And I'm just gonna do the magical animator hack of saying insert awesome intro. You can put whatever intro you want, like a meme image just popping up or whatever. I don't really care. So yeah, that is my really crappy tweeting tutorial.
Apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah. Apples, possums, apples and possums, I wanna play a song. Yeah.
Export it, you just go here and you have to look at the large amount of effects you use that you probably have to pay for if you had premium.